Alright, today's video installing one of my must-have van mods, a table. Here's the table mount. Table and table leg. I'm mounting it right here, right in front of the rear bench seat. So here's my eating area right here, sofa bed right there. Let's go ahead and put this in right now. Here's the spot right here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark off where I need to drill a hole. Okay, here's the mark right here, and then the base will cover pretty well, so I'm going to cut about a square in this vicinity, and I have plenty of margin of error. Cut out a square through the carpeting and insulation, sound deadening, and now this fits in here perfectly. So now I have to cut through the metal. If you're an Al Borland type, I'm warning you right now, this isn't going to be pretty. This is my second van build. I've done this before. It works, so I'm going to do what worked last time. Powering my drill with my solar, so I didn't have to run any extension cords. So I'm going to drill here, 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 and here with the biggest bit I have. You'll see, it's not going to be pretty. I went ahead and vacuumed up a little around this area because of all the metal shards. So next step is a step drill. So I'm going to slowly go through all this until this section's out. That way I could fit this through. You get the idea. Slowly chipping away at it until I could drop in the base. There you go. Like I said, it's not going to be pretty. I had to hammer this last section, but now, see, you're not even going to see that hole. Now it fits. Perfect. Now I have to drill the holes here and mount it in, and I'm all done. My first meal of the day, carne asada, hot Cheeto French fries, purchased from my local Mexican food restaurant. When I woke up, I went straight to my table project and didn't even eat. So I'm at work early, parked in my van here, testing out my new table. Well, it's not a new table, newly installed table. This was in my last van, but trying it out right now. It's big enough with room to spare for my food here. You know what would be nice? If I was parked by a river right now. It's a good food. I'm really glad I got the extended model Econoline, because without this section, this seat and this table wouldn't have been possible. The standard length ends right here, so basically all I would have had was this couch and a little hallway space. But since I got the extended model Econoline, I got all this extra space, and I get to park next to a river someday while I eat. Since this table is removable, I could even turn it so I could eat from my sofa bed here and enjoy the view. Too bad I don't have a nicer view right now. This is nice. So it's been raining the last couple of days. Today's actually a nice day. It looks like it might rain again. See the clouds. But when it was raining, I was thinking, I really need an awning. Like an awning over the door opening. You could hang out in your van when it's raining and the rain won't come into the van. That would be pretty sweet. Still undecided if I want an awning. Almost done with my food. I'm sad. That was good. I want more.